Do you want to propose a meeting to your ex-partner or maybe some other person that you like? In this kind of situation, people often want to conceal their true intentions and they use some excuse as a reason for the meeting. On this video, I will show you how to do it correctly. You can have a lot of pretexts for meetings, giving back something that belongs to your ex or taking away your property, doing a business or asking for help. How many people and relationships so many pretexts to meet or renew contact? Proposing a meeting in such a way you may think that you are cunning and clever like a mythical snake that tempted Eve. But is it really so? Unfortunately, some pretexts for meetings only seemingly hide your interest. And in practice, it is easy to guess that if you weren't interested in this person, you wouldn't offer anything similar. This applies to all matters that are actually a favor to that person. For example, if it is you who has someone else's things and you want to give them back, or it is you who lost the bet and as a result it is you who invites this person for dinner. Similarly work all pretexts that are only theoretically in your interest, but in practice this interest is so small that if you didn't like this person, you wouldn't say a word about it. For example, you suggest that you come and pick up your comp, which costs $5, and you have to go through the city for half an hour. Or you want to get back your dirty, worn-out underwear which is only suitable for burning. The same applies to all pretexts that are theoretically in your interest and are relatively important, but if you were not interested, you would certainly not contact this person with a request for help, but for example, Google it yourself or asked someone else to do so. Using this type of pretext, you still show interest, but at the same time, you can demonstrate a lack of self-confidence. This may carry a message like, probably you won't feel like meeting me, so maybe I will at least come to pick up my underpants. What's more, even if an excuse is really good, but you are sure that this person wouldn't want to see you without the excuse, you have to seriously consider whether it is worth using it. Because most likely this meeting will not give you anything anyway, so it does not make much sense. In such a situation, it is better to use an excuse only to show your lack of interest. For example, you can become a much bigger challenge for your ex who thinks you want to get back to him or her all the time and fight for him or her, if instead of planning a dream date when you pick up your things, you just take those things from her apartment in a few minutes and you won't stay for tea. You just kindly and peacefully apologize for not staying this time. By deliberately wasting such an opportunity, you show that you don't care about this person anymore, and in the long run it can bring you much more benefits than a forced meeting which the other person doesn't want anyway. Do you want to check how big are your chances for getting back to your ex? You can do it for free. Go to robertmarshall.com and take a free test. And if you like this video, please subscribe. See you soon. Robert Marshall.